This is also a special one because we continue to stay, I would say, to fly on Italian vibes. Because this record is produced by an Italian artist and is released by Monk Records for their sixth release. The title is Future Empire EP and the artist is Gianmaria Coccoluto, also known as GNMR. I'm not gonna spoil it. While we enjoy it, I'm going to share with you the cover of the record so you can learn a little bit something more about this release. I'm playing this track because we're still in the first part of the show. We're building up towards peak hour bangers, but on this record, the other versions that you find, they are incredibly full of energy. So it's jam-packed production and yeah, can get tired of playing it. Also, it has been sitting in my record bag for a couple of months already and I enjoy it. Here you go, GNMR Future Empire EP, live streaming from XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Very, very interesting track. Fantastic, fantastic. Really, when you want to just slow down a bit, take the audience, or go somewhere else. And yeah, I enjoyed this record quite a lot. Also because having this track, which is a little bit slower, a little bit more calm. And having the other tracks on the record with definitely more energy, it's fantastic. Like, especially when you're traveling, when you have to play multiple sets and you find yourself in having to make certain decisions of how many records and which records you're gonna take with you. This has been definitely something that I enjoy out of this record. And here's the front of the release. So GNMR Future Empire EP, fantastic release. Definitely well done, Gianmaria.